yastrap Sundowns izolo hey kodwa aka ngikho lapho webafowethu angazi noma ni noticeile lento evele kubufakazi buka Shadrack Sibiya uGeneral osamiswe emsebenzini njengamanje ekhala ngamandla esocial media eziveza ukuthi hey bona esiphoyiseni abakazi bezibebhekane nento enje lapho khona kukhona uGeneral o popular ngalendlela futhi one support ngalendlela ku social media. I'm sure nizwile leya nkulumo yakhe angeke ngize ngidlale ngoba izothatha isikhathi eside. Kodwa khona ivezayo lapha uthi uze wakhuluma nomunye uMMC. I'm not sure on which umasipala, but I think it's a Gauteng province. Utlona hey nathi mfethu zongoso politiki ngisho abakuthiwa siyakuzwa wena lento oyishoyo kodwa hey kunzima ukukhuluma against umkhonaz indlela abantu abameseke nabamsupporta ngayo. Uthi nje even ama political parties ayambanga manje umkhonaz ayamfuna afuna ukuthi azojoina wona. Usethi yabona nje kwaZulu Natal uma wakhuluma nje wathi uzama ukugxeka umkhonaz hey bakudle bakufela abantu bakhona. Now where am I going with this? Into ethi social media has successfully overpowered mainstream media on many topics, including the topic kaMkhwanazi. Niyakhumbula after media address kaMkhwanazi ukuthi kwabe sekusuka umsindo emveni kwalokho buka ama guest ebekade emenywa kuma mainstream media ngakhuluma oENCA o newsroom buka uthi obani abantu most of them abakuleli side leli labo Shadrack Sibiya abebezama ukuzo attack uMkhwanazi. And indeed bebeyithole a platform befike bemhlikiza uMkhwanazi lapho, but social media ibuye izo react respond imdefend uMkhwanazi to a point ukuthi even into ekhulunywa kwi mainstream media ngabesanako kunakwe lekhulunywa kwi social media. There's somewhere I'm going with this. Kunama cases abe complicated ukuthi asolveke mekwa involve social media ngenxa ukuthi kune footage mhlawumbe eveza labo bantu besheshe betholakala. Social media inamandla, and every government which loses control on anything is at a risk of losing power. Power is mainly based on regulations and control. Now, kune attempt ekhona that is going to try and silence voice ne power ye social media. It can either through threats, either through laba bantu ba defocus abantu ba ku social media mhlawumbe ukubaqasha banikeza amanye ama responsibilities, keep them busy. And most of our content creators are falling to the trap. Khona everything engayibuka msho mhlawumbe abaningi bethu sibonile yalo mfowethu uNcolosi. Bafuna lento ekhuluma lobhudilo neyiqiniso. Ngoba lama companies lawa they are not being truthful in their approach by ukuthatha ama content creators bese ebenzisa ama sales. Now sales and marketing are two different things. If our content creators were to be hired to do sales on our pages, our companies, that will be a different topic altogether. But currently, indlela izinto ezenzeka ngayo, content creators are being hired to be made abo salesmen. And uma wabuza noma yimuphi umuntu wakwenza ama sales, including myself, I can tell you, being a salesman is a two different thing than being a content creator or a marketer. Ukuba salesman requires a hard, strong skin that will be able to deal with the rejection, be able to deal with unhappy customers, be able to deal with abantu abane viewpoint ehlukile kunale wena onayo about your personality. And the content creators nama marketers, they don't do well there, because most of content creators bayathanda ukuthi abantu bekhulume kahle ngabo, bebe ne viewpoint enhle ngabo and so forth. It's all about branding and marketing. So once bathola anything that is negative towards their viewpoint of things, they get to be distracted. Whereas the salesmen anendaba nokuthi abantu bathini uyayazi into ayifocusele. So lama companies lawa ahayara ama content creators, siyabonga ngokuthi bayaqasha ama content creators, but do not abuse and change their strength, because nizwa frustrate lama content creators. And believe you me, the day frustrated okwangempela kuzovuka ub content creator bazobuya bezongena la ku TikTok na ku Facebook benihlipize nize nezisole nanokuthi nani waqashelene ama content creators eseveza ubuhlungu neindaba zangaphakathi eniwadlulisa kuwo. Social media ine power. Ngiyivala ke le ndaba ngithi bafowethu, uma singaqonda amandla social media bese siwasebenzisa to the fullest, asinikeze advantage njengabantu in general. eSouth Africa ngoba sesizokwazi ukuthola iplatform to hold many people accountable, including government, through social media. And anyone who's looking to hire my social media personnel, please guys, do hire those people, but do not limit them. Do not try to own them, and do not give them something that is not on their strength. Pay them for what they are good in doing, and sonke sizoba happy mekunjalo. Siyabonga.